In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to complete 2 pages from the Europe notebook. The first is the economic analysis World Bank data, and the next page is the following page where you will be creating a special purpose map using mapchart.net. So first, let's go back to the data page. On this data page, you can see that there's information gathered from the World Bank on European countries' per capita income, and this data is organized by region. Northern Europe, Western Europe, Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Southeast, Southern, and Southwest. The first thing that you're going to do is look at this key right here and assign some colors for that key. It doesn't really matter what type of colors you choose, just as long as you can choose some colors. So highlight the first data set of $0 to 5,000 and choose any color. I'm going to choose yellow. Continue on with the rest of the data. Once you have finished your key, then you are going to take that key and highlight the countries that fit that mark. So, for example, if you're looking at the 0 to 5,000 per capita income, you're going to want to highlight that country, take the highlighter, and color it in that yellow color so that it matches on the key. Do that for all of the countries. This will make it a lot easier when it comes to filling out the map chart. Once you have all of this highlighted, you are going to want to shrink your screen and then open up mapchart.net until you get to this map. So what you're first going to do is go to mapchart.net. Once you get to mapchart.net, on the upper left side, you're going to see Europe. Scroll down to where you see countries. Once you do that, it's going to be very helpful if you click this tab here that shows countries' names. After that, you are going to want to select colors for your key. So I'm going to find my yellow color, and then I am going to color in all of the countries that I have highlighted yellow on my right-hand window. And then you are going to want to change the key and then find the blue, the pink, the purple, the teal, the green, and then the orange and color them appropriately. After you're done coloring the map, do not forget to fill out the key. And then make sure that you have the legend title. Once you are done with that, you can always choose some legend options. You can make the key large, extra large, you can move it around. And then at the very bottom, you hit Preview Map. If you are happy with your map, make sure that you have everything filled in. If you are happy with it and you've checked it for accuracy, click Download Map. Once you have that map downloaded, depending on what type of computer you're working with, you can just drag and then drop this map in here and then resize it. You can delete this key if you would like, since you already have a key on your map. And then that's it. That's how to create this chart. Hope you found this helpful.